You're listening to Do This First, a daily personal development podcast that focuses on science-backed, actionable steps towards your best year ever. Hi, I'm Santa, your host. It is 43 days away till the end of 2024. Oh my gosh. And we're continuing today with our micro series of Finishing Strong. Today we're going to talk about SERP. SERP is Search Engine Results Page. That's what it is. It is the page that's displayed by the search engine in response to what you're searching for. It includes a list of results that match your search terms, hopefully, along with some additional features such as paid advertisements, images, you see videos sometimes, and featured snippets. And we want to talk about snippets in a minute. The goal of SERP is to provide us, the users, and our clients and fans and customers with relevant and useful information in order to help us find what we're looking for quickly and easily. It's very straightforward. Brands, especially niche brands, can leverage SERP to increase visibility, to drive traffic to your website, and ultimately improve your online presence so that your tribe can find you. One way you can leverage SERP is through search engine optimization, which the last couple of podcast episodes have been dedicated to SEO. By optimizing your website for relevant keywords, especially the long tail keywords that we spoke about yesterday, and creating high quality, valuable content, relevant content, the kind of content that your audience wants to read and know about. Those are ways that you can improve your ranking on SERP and also increase the likelihood of being clicked on by users, by people who actually are interested in what you have to offer. This, of course, can lead to organic traffic, greater brand awareness, and ultimately more conversions. A couple of ways to get there. Paid advertising. Paid advertising is the way most of the big box brands leverage SERP. By running pay-per-click campaigns, brands can bid on specific keywords and then have their ads displayed at the top of SERP. It can help increase visibility, it can drive targeted traffic to your website, and it can generate leads or sales, but it can also be expensive. So you have to watch out. Maybe if it's a particular campaign, something that you're really trying to launch right now, it might make sense to do that. And a really effective way of doing a pay-per-click campaign is by using those long tail keywords where the search volume is not going to be huge, but is substantial enough so that there's not a lot of competition as well. And so then the pay-per-click won't be as expensive. And we're going to talk more about pay-per-click tomorrow. Another very effective way of leveraging the search engine result page, or SERP, is through rich snippets and structured data. And this is something that I see a lot of brands not do, and it really can make a big difference between who finds you and who doesn't. So the way to implement structured data is, or schema markup, to enhance your listings. This could include product reviews, ratings, which are frequently asked questions, or how-to guides. By providing search engines with better data, your content might appear as rich snippets, leading to higher visibility and click-through rates. Implementing rich snippets and structured data can significantly enhance your visibility in search results. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Number one, you have to really understand the structured data types. So there's a couple of different types of structured data. So just kind of familiarize yourself with what those are so that you can use what's relevant. Some common formats include schema.org, which is a collaborative community. Their activity is to create and maintain and promote schemas for structured data on the internet. JSON LD is another way to do this. This is really the preferred method of adding structured data to your website, as it's pretty easy to implement and maintain. The other thing is, as I was alluding to previously, that you have to become familiar with the different types of data, the different types of markups that exist. And you have to also hone in on what's going to be best for your brand and your product and your services. One schema, one type of markup is the product markup, which allows you to display product information like prices, availability, and reviews. And then you have the event markup. So if you have an event coming up or several events, you can display event details such as time, location, and ticket information. So that's another type of markup. And then the FAQs markup. That basically present frequently asked questions and your answers directly on the search engine results page, which that is awesome. The way to implement structured data is very straightforward. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to select a tool. You can use Google Structured Data Markup Helper or other similar tools to assist in generating the code. And then you add the markup to your HTML. Depending on your content management system, you can either add the structured data into the HTML directly, or you can use plugins if you're on a platform like WordPress, like Yoast SEO or Schema Pro. And then you can use JSON LD, which includes the structured data as a script tag in the head section or within the body of your HTML page. If you're not sure where your HTML page is, you can just Google it. I mean, if you're on a major website platform, you should be able to find the information. Some website platforms do this automatically for you, like Wix does. But if you have WordPress, you can get a plugin. So, you can definitely do this. Then once you complete these actions, you want to test that your markup actually works. So what you can do is you can go to Google's Rich Results Test, or you can go to the Schema Markup Validation Tool. So these are both tools that can help you validate that your markup was successful. All you have to do is input the URL of the page that you added the structured data to, or paste your code directly. Review results and ensure that it gives the expected rich result types, and check for any warnings or errors. And then, of course, you have to continue monitoring your markup by using Google Search Console, which we spoke about in great detail in a previous podcast episode. You can also sign up to receive notifications once you have created your rich markup so that you can monitor its progress, because that's important too. Now it's time to really optimize your featured snippet. So target specific questions related to your niche that often trigger featured snippets. Create comprehensive and concise answers that directly respond to user queries. Formatting your content as a list, tables, or definitions to increase the chances of being featured is definitely the way to go. Then you can also consider making video content. If you develop a short, informative video related to your niche and you host it on platforms like YouTube, you can ensure that these videos are optimized for search by using relevant keywords in the title. Also, don't neglect the descriptions and the tags that they let you add to the videos. Video content can rank well on search engine results and enhance your visibility, your brand's visibility. You can also try online communities, forums, and social media. You can encourage your fans or customers to leave reviews and testimonials on third-party sites that rank on Google's first page. You can also submit a case study or success stories to those platforms, increasing the chances of appearing in search results. You can engage with a niche-specific forum and online communities like Reddit or Quora or industry-specific platforms. These all rank very high, providing valuable insights and answers while subtly integrating your brand when relevant drives organic traffic back to your website. Partnerships and collaborations are another way to rank well. Collaborating with other brands or influencers in your niche can land a guest feature on their platform, or you can create joint content. This can include interviews, co-hosted webinars, or projects that appeared in search queries related to both brands. And then there's the user-generated content. You can encourage your audience to create content related around your brand. This could be through contests or campaigns when users share images, videos, or written reviews. UGC, user-generated content, can rank well in SERPs and offers authentic endorsements of your brand. Search intent. You should never neglect search intent. Use tools like Answer the Public or SEMrush for search queries that are related to your niche. Create content that targets various user intents: intentional, navigational, transactional. The search engine results page is crucial for niche brands as it enhances our visibility and attracts targeted traffic. By optimizing the SERPs, brands can position themselves prominently in search results, leading to increased discovery by potential customers who are already interested in these specific offerings. This targeted visibility not only allows niche brands to stand out against big box competitors, but also cultivates brand credibility, as consumers often trust high-ranking results more. Also, analyzing SERP performance provides valuable insights into your customers' behaviors and search trends, enabling niche brands to adapt marketing strategies effectively. By leveraging organic search results, brands can achieve cost-effective marketing and build long-term relationships and secure sustained growth, leading to increased brand recognition, customer loyalty over time. This is not a quick fix. It takes time, determination, and consistency, but it works. If you like what you're hearing, don't forget to leave a review. You can also sign up for my weekly newsletters. I have about 10 now. And while you're there on my website, you can also listen to all of my podcast episodes. And you can go to YouTube and listen to the majority of my podcast episodes there as well. And my handle there is @DoThisFirst. Tomorrow, we'll concentrate on pay-per-click and other advertising alternatives to help bring more recognition to your brand. Till tomorrow. Moving past the rain, moving past the pain, or past the color blue. I see power in you. Past welded down. Look around, they can't be found. I see a champion in you. I see a champion in